In this video, you will learn step by step how you can create a game pass on Roblox. So the first thing we need to do is head over to create.roblox.com. Once we are on the main homepage, we now need to go over to one of our experiences. Now, if we click on this one, for example, it will then open up this menu. You now need to go to the left-hand side here. You need to scroll down until you see the option for passes. Click on this. Now you want to select create a pass. And then from here, you now can give it a name. So for example, YouTube tutorial 123. Once you do this, you can enter in a description. This is not mandatory, so you can leave this blank. You can add a photo if you want to do that. And then once you are happy, you can then select create pass. So at the moment, it does currently say off sale. So if we want to start selling this inside Roblox, what we need to do is click on our pass that we've just created. That will then open this, go to the left-hand side bar here, so click on sales. Once we select sales, you can then toggle on the item for sale option, and then you can enter in a Roblox price. So you can put in something like 100 Robux, for example. And then once you have done this, you will then be able to click on save changes. And then every time you make a sale, you will get 70% of that sale. So it's just that simple. That's how you can create a game pass in Roblox. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.